have New York City the day after the hurricane. Midtown is lit up, the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building, Citicorp, MetLife, the Hearst Building is lit, a lot of Midtown, and all the way up. As soon as you see the Con Edison building, which exploded into blue flames last night, everything downward is dark. You see the emergency vehicles across the way, and a lot of darkness going all the way down. The Village, Soho, Chinatown, Delancey, all the way down to the end of Manhattan. Freedom Tower is out. Half the Williamsburg Bridge is lit, strangely enough. There's cars going over. Brooklyn is lit. A bunch of people hanging out, partying. But kind of eerie, especially with the bridge half lit on the Brooklyn side and then dark on the Manhattan side. It's kind of beautiful. It's always kind of interesting when the landscape changes so dramatically. There's the emergency vehicles in Manhattan. This looks very beautiful.